Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra flagship line. The latest leak of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra model fulfills the wishes of many. Everything you need to know here about the new flagship models. To know all the details and surprises, please watch the video till the end. Samsung Electronics has confirmed that it will introduce the new Galaxy S24 lineup of smartphones on January 17, which includes the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra flagships. Sales are expected to start on January 30. According to sources, the entire flagship line will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 platform. But the return of the Exynos chipset in the Galaxy S24 lineup is particularly noteworthy. Exynos 2400 variants of the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will also be available. It's important to note that the Snapdragon-powered versions will be sold in North America, while the European market will get Exynos-powered models. Benchmark platform Geekbench has revealed the test results for the Galaxy S24 version with Exynos 2400 chipset. In the Geekbench 6 standard, the Exynos 2400 chipset showed 2,067 points in the single-core test and 6,520 points in the multi-core test, which is slightly inferior to the version on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The most notable aspect of the Snapdragon version of the Galaxy S24 is the CPU frequency, which reaches 3.4 GHz, which is 0.1 GHz higher than the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, making it the most powerful chip in the Android device segment. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 powered Galaxy S24 Ultra achieved a single-core score of the 2214 and a multi-core score of 6744 on Geekbench. In terms of design, leaked renders of the Galaxy S24 indicate similarities with the previous generation. The main changes are in the internals and software, especially the return of the Exynos chipset and new AI features developed by Samsung. The starting price for the Galaxy S24 series is expected to be in line with the previous generations, possibly starting at $700. The hope remains that the base model will be in line with current market trends in terms of memory capacity. In conclusion, the new Galaxy S24 lineup appears to be a logical continuation of Samsung's lineup, focusing on innovation in processors and software while maintaining proven design and pricing solutions. It is expected that the new Galaxy S24 line will officially launch early next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.